been a while since I did one of these videos. This is Monkey Buddies, third part of this series. I think this is the shop. Hey. Okay. 1,100 bananas. Let me get into this. No, not this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Milk. No, $5? A monkey's gonna scratch my balls any moment. Hello? Hey! Hey, buddy! Show me around, please. I don't know, do I have a golden cosmetic thing? Who's that? Hey! I got a golden monkey. Stop it! Don't push me! I got a golden monkey. Dude, what do I think I saw a horror mode. What's that? Oh! That scares me the fuck. Hacker or modder in our game. Yeah? So? Damn, boy! I think I am, but just go out. Okay, wait. Follow me. I think I saw some. Hey, buddy. Bucko. Come here, Bucko. Hello. Lil. You got a six-pack. Get in! Stupid. Get in! Fatty fatso. Okay, hey, follow me, I saw something. Follow me, okay? Follow me, because I saw something. Oh, hey. Oh, go down. Yo, water. What's this? What do you do?